Hi guys, Victor here from Mwangaza College Marketing Department. Today is a cleanup day, an event we do every semester, and we've had a chance to speak to our students and staff about the day. Tune in and listen to what they have to say. Karibu sana. Jen,
yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Can you talk to us and tell us what's happening?
Good morning. My name is Jane, Office Admin. Today is a cleanup exercise where all the staff and students come together. We came exactly at 8, and as you can see, we've already done the laundry. The curtains are out. We've already burned the bushes, all the papers, the bushes that are unwanted, and now we are cleaning after cleaning all the classes. So we just want to clean the compound.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Helen Joroge from the ICT department, and today is a great day whereby we give back to the society. And today our society is our own school where we have our cleanup exercise, which is an activity that happens once every semester. So today is the day. It has been a success. The turnout for the students was great. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi,
You introduce yourself kindly.
my name is Anita. I am in the fashion and design department. I'm doing tailoring. So today we're having a cleaning day, which we do every beginning of the term. And everybody you see around here is volunteering to do this because we like our school. And I really thank everyone who came. It's a fun experience. I encourage everyone, if they get this chance one more time, they should come and enjoy with us.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, colleagues. I'm Mr. Patrick Odur from Hospitality Department, Catering and Accommodation. Today being our first Saturday of the term, we usually conduct a cleanup service to give back to the society and our school to make it become aesthetic for a good learning environment. So we are very happy it was successful, and we thank God for that. Thank you.
I'm Francis Calypso, Mwangaza College Librarian. Today is a clean-up exercise. The day has been good. We always celebrate this day every term. It's the first weekend of every term after orientation. We normally have clean-up exercise, and it's always good. We enjoy it, and we are still here to have fun.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Brian Wajora. So today we took part in a cleanup activity where we were giving back to the community, and so we decided to give it back to our school. We had a cleanup exercise where we cleaned our various departments or classes. So the day was great, and I being the chairperson for Wise Years, I actually say that the day was wonderful and we took part voluntarily to help our school be and have a clean environment. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Paul from Organzied College. Welcome today to our cleanup exercise. We do this every first Saturday of our semester. It's our first activity. We clean the school as a measure of giving back to the society, both we as teachers and the students. The day has been amazing. The day has been fantamagorious. Of course, we are inviting everyone to come and study with us here in Organzied College. We do different
Mwalimu wa stima.
Yes.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Francis. I teach electrical. We are doing the cleanup exercise today on Saturday to help the people who work in the environment.
Thank you. Mambo.
Poa.
Hebu tuambie unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Daisy. Nafanya diploma in IT ya Mwangaza student. Today was a cleanup exercise.
Okay.
We have come, we have done all our best, giving out to the community. We have washed our classes, pruning the flowers at the school compound, washing curtains, and even enjoying ourselves. It's been a good day.
Okay.
A good day of fun. We've enjoyed ourselves. Thank you.